Hi, Flick here at the Long Beach Comic Con, and I'm here with Sandy King Carpenter.
Hi.
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, Flick.
Nice to meet you. I'm Flick.
Nice to meet you too.
Sandy is part of the creative team behind John Carpenter's Asylum. That's a really creepy comic book.
We do our best to be scary.
Yep. Good job.
Thanks.
So for all these people out there in the web, there, could you tell them a little bit about Asylum if they like those two people that haven't heard of it yet?
So our comic is about a defrocked Catholic priest and a LAPD homicide detective who meet up when they're both chasing the same guy. Yeah. One to lock him up as a serial killer and the other to save his soul.
Oh.
That's where it takes off. And meanwhile, Lucifer is coming through in the City of Angels. Bad things are afoot.
Yeah, I mean, come on. Lucifer, people, please.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Tough stuff.
Yep. So, I hear you've got another comic book coming out for this holiday season, Halloween season.
Absolutely. We have John Carpenter's Tales for a Halloween night. And it's an anthology that we're going to bring out a different set of stories every year at Halloween.
Oh.
And this year, it's got 6 stories by 6 different writers, including John Carpenter,
nice,
myself,
okay,
Trent Olson, David J. Scow, Dwayne Swazinski,
right,
Steve Niles and Steve Hovicki,
right,
and artists like Leo Manco, who does Asylum,
okay, yeah,
and Richard P. Clark, and Derek Robertson, all kinds of great guys.
Oh man, when does that come out?
That comes out for Halloween. It should be in the stores the week before Halloween.
Okay.
There's going to be a signing at Golden Apple in Los Angeles on October 25th.
Oh.
There'll be a signing at Barnes & Noble at the Grove in Los Angeles on October 17th with John.
Wow.
So look for us.
Definitely. Will you be there too?
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Oh, good. I want to get the whole team, the creative team.
You betcha. We'll try and see how many of the guys we can get with us.
Oh wow, that's a great event.
I hope so.
Oh, we'll definitely put that up on the Nerd Soapbox.
You gonna come join us?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm going.
Good.
I want a copy of that.
You got it.
Get me a copy.
I'll definitely get you a copy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
So, working on any movies?
Well, we've got 10 projects in the works.
Oh man.
Between TV and movies, but I tend not to announce them until they're real.
That's yeah, okay.
Okay.
Well, it gives us something to dream about. Nightmare dream.
I hope so. In your
yeah.
nightmares, I'll see you, Flick.
I'm a little scared.
Yeah, I do that to people.
No. You're nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm really glad we met you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Flick.
All right. Well, this has been Flick for the Nerd Soapbox, and unpleasant dreams.